Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of EWA app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here, here in this sign you will search about the application of EWA and you will click. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. And then here you will click on clear cache. After that you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for